Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to upload your voice into Elevenlabs in 2025. So whether you are cloning your voice or creating a custom one, let's break it down step by step. So first of all, you need to open your web browser and search for elevenlabs.io. Once you are on this page, you need to simply provide your login credentials and you need to just log in into your account. After logging in on your Elevenlabs dashboard, you need to hover over to the left hand section and click on Voices. In Voices, in the top right hand corner, you will see Create or Clone a Voice option. So you need to just click on it. After clicking on this option, you will see a pop-up in front of you that would have a lot of options like voice design, instant voice clone, professional voice clone, etc. So you need to use a quiet room and a clear mic and speak naturally like you are reading a story or any script. For instant cloning, you just need the 1 to 2 minutes of your audio, and for professional voice cloning, you need to prepare a 30 minutes or more for higher quality. You can also click on the upload button and choose your audio, and it should be in the mp3 or mav format with no background or the noises or any filters. You need to give your voice a name so that you can find it easy, and after that you need to tick on the boxes that will say that you have a right to use this voice. Some users may be asked to verify their identity with a short voice prompt as well. So if you have chosen the instant voice option, these are quite ready in just a minutes. But if you have selected the professional voices, this is gonna take a lot of time, maybe a few hours to fully process depending on the audio length. So once it is ready, you will be able to basically select your voice and paste the script, and you can also tweak the tone, the pace and the emotion. So this is how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.